Hi, today I'm going to see if I can get the Fornec 2 modeling software running on Wine in Linux. I recently had a problem with my Windows drive. The drive is gone, and quite honestly I would like to not go back to Windows. The only thing that I run that is a Windows program is Wine in Fornec 2. Well, not Wine, but Fornec 2. So here I go. I have done some things like this before, but never with this program, and I haven't even done it on this particular installation of Linux, which is actually fairly recent. So let that come up. Games, what we're looking for is Play on Linux. This is a Wine wrapper. Makes things with Wine easier. We're going to install that. Alright, Play on Linux is installed. Now that shows up under, if I remember, Games. Actually, I need to download the Fornec 2 install files. Let's see, it's come on. We'll throw that there. Under your downloads. Doesn't let me configure much here, does it? Alright, install. Here you go, other. As I recall, this gave me an option somewhere that it didn't have to be on the drive or on this list. But I'm not seeing that now. There it is, install non-listed program. Wonder why it didn't show up before. Install in a new virtual drive. I didn't have Wine on before I installed this program. I don't think I have to have it directly installed first. I think this takes care of all that for me. Fornec 2. Again, you worry about libraries. We go 32-bit Windows. I find it odd that the only version of Wine that this says it had was System. I seem to remember in the past using it where I could actually go into a list and choose the version of Wine that I wanted. Maybe it'll come up on a later screen. Or maybe I actually need to have a different version of Wine installed. 1.6. I know they're up to Wine 2, so I'm not sure. Guess we'll see. Browse. We were under Downloads. Open. Next. Those links don't look like they work very well. Let's turn these off first. I'll delete those. 4NEC 2. Doesn't like to take that next sometimes. Build next. Let's make this capital. All right. Figure. I can choose, just not on that list before. Okay. But we're going to make it 2.22. That's the newest stable. About Wine 2.22, that's what I wanted to see. Don't have any libraries. Okay. Don't need any of this. I don't think I need any of this. I don't think. 4NEC 2. Play. Run. Ah. Seems to work. Models, let's make a new folder. Now let's see what what will and will not work. My models, new folder. New folder, new link. Probably gonna have to go back and copy and paste, aren't I? Copy. Rename. Test 1. Valid procedure call argument. Try that again. I want you over here. Open. Test. I wonder if I go into here. And there's something where I can run a command prompt. I keep missing the Y. Wonder if copy con works here. It seems to. That might be why I wasn't seeing it. It was a test 1 by itself. All right. Put you down over here for now. My models, test 1. Symbols. Actually, we're going to go inches because that's what I'm using. I'm just going to make a couple of simple CB antennas. We're going to go equals equals 204. 10 of length. Alright, 10 of height and 10 of length. Now what we're going to do is wire. Let's see, settings. Not that. But I did hit the wrong one. Take the stepped radius correction off. There we go. I always run 50 in there. We're going to go 2 inches to minus 2 inches. That'll give us a 4-inch segment. 0.1. And let's go 0.2. That'll be pretty close to a wire length. Let's see. Segment 1, I have auto segmentation on. Let's go L/2 0 AH 2 0 AH. Oops. Two. H.2 should give us a dipole. Source. We're going to go voltage, tag 1, segment 50%, 1, 0. Frequency. We're going to go wheel ground, moderate is good. Nothing over here is being used. Loads, may as well test most of it out. 2, 3, 0%, 0%. Copper. I think that's pretty much everything. There it is. We can make this bigger. Show segments. Okay, it looks like I got the size about right. First run. As far as average gain test. Average gain 1.009. For those that don't know, what I'm basically doing is, oops, it's a technique I've developed to help get AGT where I'd like it. Don't need you. Don't need you anymore. I'm going to put you down here. If you're interested in that, if you're in what average gain test is, if you don't know, or exactly what it is I'm doing and you're interested, just ask. I'll be happy to explain. But I like to have my AGT as 1. You don't have to have it right on 1. They have a range, but what can I say? I'm a perfectionist. Turn that off. Getting results. Okay, let's see if I can use some of the more advanced tools. 10 of length. We're going to sweep. Let's go 200, 210, resolution 1 degree, start. I think I can turn. It doesn't. Maybe it's a newer version. You didn't used to pop this up until later. Let's see. negative to positive, so between 207 and 208, 208 inches, resume. — 207.9. This should get me some that are... I'm surprised I'm not there yet. 7.94. I'm basically doing this because I like to tune a lot of the antennas, my antennas, to resonance. A lot of people seem to think that resonance is where peak gain is. It's not actually true, but a lot of people swear by it, so this one's the closest. 207.95. No. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 207.945. I basically get resonance to, or as close, I get it within 0.0001 ohms of resonance on the reactant side of things. That's all I'm really doing there. Let's make sure I'm still within. I am not. Changed. I need to make it slightly longer. Hmm. 947. Just get me close. Come on, get me close, right into that resonance spot. 0.02. Reactance of plus 0.02 isn't going to be that big of a deal. Okay, most of what I tend to use a lot works. What should I... Oh, yeah. Print. Save as. Test 1. Save. Okay, we're going to go... I forget how to show the hidden stuff. So when that says to show the hidden files. It'll look like it saved it. I don't know if it actually saved it or not, though. View. Oh, it has virtual drives right here. I don't need to find the hidden files. The old wine without the play on Linux had to go through a hidden folder to get to. Let's see, it was under models. What do I call it? My models. It's different than what I used before. Test1.bmp. Could not load test1.bmp. That's annoying. Let's see. See if this can load it. Hey, you're already there. How convenient. Nope, you can't load it either. That's going to be annoying. So I can't make direct images of them. All right, let's see, where was I? Can I take several models and overlay them? Let's see. My models test. Copy. Paste. Let's call that one test 2. We're going to call that one test 3. All right. Now we're going to open up test 2. I'm not going to go for the perfection on resonance and So I do occasionally get some error messages popping up. Let's see. That one's still there. Keeps resetting the position. That can be annoying. Let's open up test 2, which is essentially the same, but we're going to change the heights. 20, we're going to make it twice as high. Instead of 20 feet up, we're going to make it 40 feet up. Segment check. Oh. Yeah. Not a big concern for my testing right now. It's something to look at if I was trying to make accurate models, sure. Yeah, that would be a problem. Radiation efficiency, 113%. Yeah, AGT is way off. Let's see. Point. Let's see. This is 2.1. Get it somewhat closer. .05. Wow. It's going to have to do for now. So far, it's very usable. Wait a minute, this was right on before. Why are we suddenly so far off? Close the program, open it up again, and it's... Oh, I know why. I know exactly why. Here, let's... And we want this to be 1 degrees too. That's much better. All right. Now I'm going to close this actually and open it up again. And it goes right into the same file. So if you close it properly, it goes into the same file. Okay, so what we're going to do is go into test 2. And then we're going to go into test 3. It's also going to be 0.2. We're going to make this one 60 feet high. Okay, compare. Compare, add new pattern. So I can put several patterns and overlap them. I can go to the vertical plane. So basically everything works except saving as an image. That's going to be annoying. I wonder, is that how it was done? Control Alt print screen when I had a window selected. Let's see. Edit, paste. Yeah, Control Alt print screen. Open up GIMP. I get, let's see, save as. JPEG isn't in that. I wonder if it's exports. We're going to export as documents are fine. I don't care where it goes. I can find them later. Oh, there's more here. GIF, JPEG. Export. Quality, let's go 100. Okay, let's see. Put that under documents, I think. And there it is. So I can still capture the image, it just takes a little more work to do it. It's not built in. Not that it's any more work than it was anyway, because the built-in image would just save it as a bitmap and I'd have to convert it to JPEG. Anyway, plus this one seems to be keeping the colors a little better than Microsoft Paint's conversion process. I think I'm happy with this. It seems to be working just as I had hoped. Discard those changes, close that out. Let's see, yeah, there that is. Don't think there's anything else in here that I commonly use. Sometimes I open up this. But it seems all this stuff seems to be working. 3D. We're going to go pattern, multicolor. Not sure what that does. I've never used it. Oh, 3D geometry. That's that window there. If I close this, it'll open that one up. Yeah. I'll need to double check on my settings, but yeah, I think it's working fine. Now, can I open it from here? I can. I'm going to call this a success. Looks like ForNec 2 runs fine in Wine, at least Wine version, was it 2.22? I think it was installed. I can see right here probably. 2.22. Might even run on earlier versions. The only thing that doesn't seem to work is the sending it to a picture, which I can use via other means. So looks like we're good.